Hi, I'm Cindy Metz with Riesdorf Metz & Partners at Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty. I am so excited to share our newest listing, 5449 East Windrose Drive in Scottsdale, Arizona. So from the moment that you walk into the home, you're going to immediately experience the great room floor plan that includes a living area that flows into the kitchen, and then they have a 16-foot 4-panel pocket door that brings the outside in. So you have this wonderful patio for dining, outdoor kitchen, and then there's plenty of entertainment opportunities in this backyard with a lit bocce ball court, putting green, the most deluxe synthetic grass for all kinds of yard games, your dog running around. And then of course, it's Arizona, so you have to have a swimming pool. So we have all of these amenities in the backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. My name is Cindy Metz. My phone number is 602-803-2293. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing at 5449 East Windrose Drive, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.